Okay, today's topic is what are hub-centric rings and do you need them? Now, a hub-centric wheel uses your hub here. This diameter of the wheel goes over top of this, sits on there, and your wheel's better balanced that way. Now, if you get aftermarket wheels, most of them are lug-centric, like this, where the wheel is just sitting on the studs. And sometimes at certain speeds it can shake a little bit and be a little bit imbalanced. Doesn't matter if you got your wheels and tires balanced properly, it'll just be a little bit off balance. So that's where the hub-centric rings come into play. What they do is they sit back there between here and fills up that gap and essentially turns your lug-centric wheel into a hub-centric wheel, which is better on a budget. Now I happen to be just taking this wheel off because I'm about to do the wheel bearings on the front because they're starting to make some noise, and they were making noise before I put the big tires and wheels on. Everything else is new up front, everything, but and new brakes, but the wheel bearings are still old and they're starting to make a little bit of sounds, so I'm replacing them. And I was going to add these at the same time. Got my new Mevotech wheel bearings in here. So once I get the wheel bearings on, I will put the hub-centric rings on and show you how that works. Okay, so they sit on your hub like this. New wheel bearing installed here. It's all back together. Sits like that. I pressed mine in a little bit. I just tapped it back in with a rubber mallet. Just went for a drive. It was less shaky. It had no shake anymore. Definitely get yourself some hub-centric rings if you got lug-centric wheels.